Hi, I'm Gracie. Welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today we're making cheesy jacket potato skins. For this we will need some oil, potatoes and salt. First we need to make sure our oven's preheated to 180 degrees. Then we need to stab the potatoes with a fork and rub them in oil. Mine's done for me because it feels horrible. Now I need to generously give them a sprinkle with salt. Flip them over. Then we need to do the same on the other side. Okay, when we've done that, we put our potatoes on the tray. Then we need to place them in the oven. This will take 45 minutes to an hour to cook. Okay, these potatoes have come out of the oven a few minutes ago. I just put them on the board to cool. And so now they're cooled down. We need to chop them in half. Now we need to scoop the potato out and put them into our bowl with the cheese. Okay, so now let's mix the cheese and the potato together. Okay, now we need to get them on a spoon and scoop them back into the potato. To place the potatoes, so 4 of them, back on the tray. Now we need to sprinkle them with a little bit more cheese. Back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, so the potatoes have had about 10 minutes in the oven. They look really good. So I'm just going to turn off the oven, open the door, and take them out. And here is your lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.